It is Thursday, and I am back in the office. Tomorrow is coming to the end of a very busy week for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, coming out with our e-weekly update tomorrow, which goes out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Also working on our monthly mailed newsletter, which goes out to all of our clients in traditional mail. Yes, we still use the traditional mail. Our clients like receiving it. It has fantastic information. It really rounds up our most popular content from the previous month. Again, all of our books and blogs are available on the website, gamboandlaw.com. With that said, put out a blog article regarding electric bikes. And I actually have a case involving a young man now, unfortunately, in Sea Isle, New Jersey. And I thought the blog article was important because a lot of people don't understand electric bikes versus e-bikes. And what they are, there's a big difference between these bicycles and e-bikes. The bicycles do not require a license, and the manufacturers, I've gone on the websites, and it is very confusing because you really have to read what you're buying. Now, obviously, you should read it anyway, but you could be buying an item that does require a license. Now, in New Jersey, if the bike can go above 20 miles an hour and not cause the engine to shut off, it is not a bicycle per se. It is considered I guess, an e-bike or electric motorized bike of some sort. It's considered a class 3 vehicle in the Garden State. I'm sorry, something's in my eye during this video, but it is considered a class 3 vehicle, and it does require a license. If it's a class 1 or a class 2 and it's powered electronically somehow, but it's assisted, those two classes, the device or the bike per se shuts off the motor part of it. So those vehicles don't need licenses. Now, with regards to helmets, if you're under the age of 17 in New Jersey, you need to have a helmet. In Pennsylvania, these e-bikes and the electric bicycles are actually, you don't need a license regardless of the class, but there is an age requirement. So you cannot be under the age of 16 to actually drive an e-bike in Pennsylvania. So there's no license requirement like it is in New Jersey, but there is an age requirement. So I guess that can be, there are obviously some big 13 or 14 or 15-year-olds who could probably get away with it. I'm not sure how aggressive the local police are. But these are regulations that every parent should be aware of. And if you're going to plan on purchasing an e-bike for your child, especially if you're in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, know what you're purchasing. And these vehicles, I mean, really, they can really move. Especially the ones that require licenses in New Jersey and have the age requirement in Pennsylvania. I've seen it, just looking at websites, they can go as fast as 40 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour, which doesn't seem fast for those of us who drive, which is a lot of us. But if you ever ride your bike and really fast, you're probably at the most going less than 20 miles an hour at the most. So just think about that. And obviously, if you make contact with another vehicle or a bicycle or a person or a tree of some sort, that can really do some damage and to you and to the person that you potentially strike. Now, there is obviously traffic laws created for this, and that's not really the point of this. Of the video or the blog article that I'm going to attach to this description of the video. It's really more or less to understand that the laws in your state, whether it be Pennsylvania and New Jersey, are very different. Our law firm obviously practices in both areas, and we want our clients and our families to be fully informed. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, in New Jersey, 856-793-7429. The website, gamboandlaw.com. As always, a fantastic resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, and videos are available there. You can also text or email us at the website. All of our content is available at no cost, because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result in their case. Once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Thursday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.